This is the Denon, the new Denon Prime joint. 4-channel controller, brand new joint from Denon. Play with it in a minute. 'Interesting. So I play with it next? You playing with it next or?
No, we're together.
Oh, okay. Oh, you together, okay. Alright, so let me get some video of this thing here. So you got the hot cubes, sync roll, shift, and stuff here.
Oh shit, really? What?
So you got the screen. I thought these are touch sensitive screens. Maybe not. The flatter feels good. I mean, it's real heavy. Okay, that got somewhat of a lag to it. Is it quantized on? I wonder why is it doing that. That's kind of weird. It's good weight to this. Real good weight. Very good weight to it.
So we have no computer. This is the computer. Get them on this one right here. This is doing everything. 4-channel. I can do 4-channel DJ system. Effects engines on everything.
Can't figure that out neither. Facts. Can't figure out how to make those work. So this Q thing is kind of, I got an issue with that. I don't know why that's doing that. Okay, I figured out the effects now. So you got to go echo again. That sounds good. Definitely sound good. Filter sound good. Wash. Like an echo kind of effect. Roll, let's try that. Roll sounds good. Loop. Well, we already know what loop, slip, do all that do. And you got some mic effects up here real quick. I love these effect things right here. This is kind of like a digital effect joint. Turn it on. I don't know how you.
I can't figure out how to get them on, mate.
How to get these effects going? This thing has kind of like a delay too.
Yeah, you can. I think
it's a quantized.
On the primes you can turn it down, but I don't know how you do it on this one. On the primes you hold, it brings up the menu, and then you can change the quantize.
Where's the shift button? Maybe you gotta go. Oh no, that won't do it.
It'll be on the menu here.
It'll be on the menu somewhere.
Oh shit.
The platters feel good though. Got a good feel to them. Kind of heavy.
Oh, here you go.
Yeah, I had that on, but they still wasn't. They still ain't going though. So it's on right here, big crusher. Oh, you turn it up. That's a big crusher.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's the wet and dry there. So.
No. I'll turn it on. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, okay.
That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work to get those effects going. You know?
This is interesting, man. You played on the Prime series?
I'm gonna play with that. I haven't yet. I'm thinking about getting this, but I want the hands-on test it out. I really didn't want to get another a program to learn. I'm already learning record box, and now I got to learn this thing. So
I do wonder if this will be record box compatible with
they said it's gonna work with Serato.
Yeah, it'll work with Serato. Record box, I mean USB, when you export them.
I think they said it will. It'll read all the frames.
No,
That's what they said.
They said that the Prime would read record box.
No, they said this would too on that YouTube video.
Yeah, oh man, it's sick fuck. It doesn't.
So it said it's supposed to take all of them. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is Denon Prime 4. Let me get some light on this. And I thought this screen was touchscreen. Isn't this thing supposed to be touchscreen? Oh, that's it. Just to make them bigger.
Then you have to pause it. And then you can.
Oh, you scroll up top. Okay.
But it has to be paused for it to work.
I got you. All right, that's it. I'm about to play with it for a minute now, you guys. Denon Prime.